Kami is the most fearsome of all brush gods. Why is his name Moe then? A technique known as... I'm sorry, hiccups. It's technique known as Inferno reduces almost anything to ashes. Who should be our first victim? Listen up, Amy. Inferno is based on the power of fire. You gotta place your brother. I'm sorry. The power of the fire will certain to the one creating an inferno. But actions speak louder than words. Try it out on that ice. Why do I have hiccups every time I play Okami? I'll probably only send a few scales of that roti. But it'll make crispy critters out of the snake's underlings. I hate the hiccups so bad. Do we have the items now? Sorry. Wait, was this the place? I don't think this was the place. Tigukan yung sangat kawaii. Oh, Ollie's hiccup kawaii. It's not cute. You guys are just simps. Basically.